Hello, people. This is going to go fast. If you have questions, I missed something, just instant message us, DM us, whatever. Okay, so today we're going to talk about lease versus purchase. There's a lot of misconception here. Most people think they're scams. They get angry like this guy. Don't do that. Let's focus on the facts. So, lease versus purchase. Number one, okay, when you purchase, there's typically two options. You're gonna pay cash or you're gonna finance. Now, when you pay cash, you put a deposit down and you make payments throughout the process at what are called milestones. Okay. That could be permitting, install. Every company is different. Now, when you finance it, the great thing is there's no payment until after it's installed. So even if you're going to pay cash, look at the financing options. There's no prepayment penalty. Find a good rate at a good balance that makes sense for you. Okay. So just look at the facts, ask questions, always see the cash price. I'll say that again later on. Don't get angry like this guy because you don't understand how the financing works. Educate yourself. The lower the rate, the higher the fees on the loan. Also, the lower the payment. So find a balance. You want to pay it off before it ends, you might want a little bit higher rate so there's lower fees. Look at outside financing options. You don't have to finance through their companies. Borrow money from a friend, a HELOC, but always ask to see the cash price. That's so important. All right. Be happy like this guy. Get educated on solar financing like we're doing right now, but also understand when you finance or you pay cash, you own the solar system. You own the system. You get all the benefits of owning your own energy. That's a tremendous amount of freedom. Just make sure your payments, whatever they are lower than what you were paying before. All right. Now, this is where it's really important here. I want you guys to really look at the idea of the tax credit. Do you get to keep it? Do you qualify for it? What do I do with the tax credit? How does that even work? So, number one, do you pay federal taxes? If you pay federal taxes and it makes sense for you to get the tax credit, then you're going to get the tax credit, but you're going to put it back in the loan. If you're on a fixed income, don't even look at purchasing. Look at a lease or a PPA. That's the first thing. All right. Talk to your tax professionals throughout the entire process. Very, very important. Now, what happens at month 19 of my loan? This is a very important step here. The bank is expecting you to put the tax credit back into the loan, reinvest it in there between month 18 and 19. If you don't, your payment's going to go up and it'll reamortize. Ask us questions.